your shingle or your bottom of your matting solar from the sky, start over. Hailstone hits it so hard, what it'll do is it crack the back side of the matting. That's what insurance looks for. So water will hold up in here and eventually start leaking through underneath the shingle. Water will find any hole it can to get into. That is why insurance covers hail damage. So what insurance is looking for is 10 hits in a 10 by 10 area. They do that in 10 by 10 area, they assume the whole roof's total. So they want 10 of these in a 10 by 10 area on each slope, front, left, back, and right. If you only have 1 or 2, we can replace that shingle for you. We do the repairs as well. Insurance won't pay unless they see the 10. If they have 3 or 4, they'll pay for 3 or 4 shingles, or they'll pay for 22 shingles. If we feel that's enough to get bought and insurance don't agree, we'll fight with them for our customers, and we have public adjusters that'll fight with us too. If we think it needs to be replaced, we'll go to the very ends of the earth to get replaced.